Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the incredible features of the NUWAVE Flex Precision Induction Cooktop, a versatile and efficient cooking solution perfect for any kitchen. This cooktop offers 45 precise temperature settings ranging from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to seamlessly adjust the heat on the fly without starting over, making it ideal for everything from keeping sauces warm to grilling steaks with perfect grill marks. The shatter-proof ceramic glass surface is not only durable but also one of the safest on the market, as it heats the pot directly, converting up to 90% of its energy into heat, which is far more efficient than traditional stovetops. Safety is paramount with the Flex, as it automatically shuts off when the set cook time is completed and won't start without cookware, eliminating the risk of burns and fire. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for dorms, RVs, and small apartments, with 3 wattage settings to accommodate limited power sources. Plus, mastering delicate dishes like melted chocolate or hollandaise sauce is a breeze, thanks to its precise temperature control. And don't forget, it comes with a 9-inch Duralon Ceramic Frying Pan, which is non-toxic, ultra non-stick, and compatible with all cooktops, ensuring you have everything you need to cook like a pro.